dear students. Welcome to the first session of online tutorial with me, Dr. Isa Mufliarsi, MPD, as your tutor. And this week, you are going to learn about formal and informal language in English. So you can find this week's topic in Module 1, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to analyze the difference between formal and informal English. So please study the material and enrichment on the links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 1. Good luck, class.